AIDA. AIDA, AIDA. It's an acronym that describes a marketing process or a principle from getting someone aware to actually purchasing your product. And it's an important thing to understand with your copywriting. Similar to the email marketing that we talked about before, but a little bit more focused and practiced by marketers and advertisers around the world for many years. So what does this mean? AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action. Attention, who is reading your article? Who is reading your copy? Who is on your sales page? What is their demographic? Do you understand who they are? What age range they are? Are they male or female? What part of the world are they from? What are their likes and dislikes? You can actually find out these things relatively easily if you have Google Analytics set up. If you watch the lesson in the WordPress section of this course, you'll understand that you can see people's ages, you can see their likes and dislikes, you can see whether they're female or male, and all kinds of other demographic information. And just knowing that allows you to write in a different way. What is their problem and what solution do you have? We've already taken care of this. You know that. We did this in the first section of the course. So be proud of yourself, because this marketing principle, AIDA, that we're talking about, that many people have been using for years, you are already on track. I is for interest. You have to build an argument for your brand. Tell your story. Prove yourself to them. That's what you're doing through your copywriting. You are telling your story. You're not just saying, buy this product, but you're telling a story to inspire people or to engage people. It's a time where you can prove yourself. This could mean putting testimonials in your writing to show that people have used your products and services and it's worked for them. D is for desire, shifting from interest to actually wanting what you offer. This is where you demonstrate why you can solve their problem for them. If you are in the position of wanting something, and for example, right now, I want a new road bike. I have a mountain bike, but I've been wanting to get into road bikes. And so I've been doing a lot of research online about the different models. I've been searching Craigslist for used ones, but I've also gone into the store. And you know, in my position, it's hard to resist buying a brand new bike. It's hard to resist just walking into the store and buying something right there. So you know, if someone desires something, if you desire something, it's easy for the marketer to market to you. But it's getting to this step that's a little bit harder. And then last, A is for action. This is where you provide a call to action. So you tell someone how to purchase. You say, sign up below, click the button below, purchase online, call this number to buy now, go to the store to get our deal this weekend. That's your call to action. You got to make it easy to buy, so you don't want to make it complicated at all. You don't want to say, okay, call this number, have this promo code ready. You have to call between this time and that time, or the deal runs out. These things make it complicated, so make it as easy as possible. And this can come across with the style, especially on your website, with things like your buttons, your text, the design of your web page, making it flow nicely, making it clear that there's a button for them to press to purchase, making it easy so they don't have to go from one site to the other to actually buy your products or services. The easier, the better, because the easier it is for them to take action. What about AIDAR? R is for retention. How can you continue to serve your customer? Because it's a lot harder to get new customers as it is to get a current customer or an old customer to buy something of yours. They already know you. They already hopefully like and trust you. And if you have another product or service for them, it's much easier to purchase from you. Once someone comes into your store and buys a product, you don't want them walking out that door to never be seen again. You want to retain their business and literally retain their information. So having them connect with you on social media or through an email list so that you can continue to inspire and educate and ultimately sell to them is important. That's what retention is all about. So that's what AIDA is. And I know that it's a little repetitive. I get it. You're probably watching this video saying, Phil, we get it. this is repetitive. You've talked about this before. But I just want to mention it because it is a technique and a practice that advertisers have been using for years, and you're already doing it. And by thinking about AIDA while you're writing your sales copy, while you're creating promo videos, while you're writing ad copy, you will get more results. So trust me, this was an important lesson. And in the next lessons, we're going to be talking about more ways to improve your copywriting.